This is Windows 10 Tech Preview first boot. The install just completed. And for some odd reason, I was brave enough to do this on my production machine that I use every single day. So I'm hoping nothing gets broken. And I do know this is pre-beta, so chances of it breaking is actually very high. But I guess we'll see what happens. If it even boots. You see my hard drive lights flickering away down there. So I am hopeful that it's actually doing something right now. As you can tell, I am recording with a cell phone. And you see my lovely reflection in the background here. Alright, getting devices ready. Let's see how long this takes. And I really hope that it detects all my drivers, because I highly doubt I'm going to find a Windows 10 driver specific to my machine, which is about a 3 or 4 year old Lenovo. If you can see that, it's a Z570. Has an i5 processor. Certainly not new, but should be new enough to run this fine. And I'm upgrading from Windows 7. I install and help people with Windows 8 all the time, and I personally do not like it, so I had zero plans of upgrading to Windows 8. And now Windows 10 is finally coming out. And I don't really understand why they're going to 10 rather than 9. It just doesn't make any sense to me. I guess Windows 8 was just so terrible they had to skip an entire revision, version 9, and go straight to 10, I guess. On the bright side, even this pre-beta Windows 10 got to be better than Windows 8. And be sure to give us a call for all of your computer needs. We do network installs, virus scans, pretty much everything. We do a little bit of web page design. You can check out our web page that was designed by us, and also find some of our other services we offer. We do also sell to other computer service companies. We offer bulk Cat5 cables and other networking tools and parts, etc. That is my phone number and email address, and we operate locally out of Pittsburgh, PA. So just give us a call and check out our website. Now I have not upgraded to Windows 8 like I said earlier, so I do not know the time that it exactly takes to upgrade to Windows 8, but this has been going for about 45 minutes or so now. And please like and share the video. And if you could, leave some comments in the bottom if you liked or hated the video. Let me know how the quality is. Again, I am recording on a cell phone, so I don't expect it to be spectacular. Let me know of any other new videos you'd like to see from me. I can do a on-screen repair video, OS install, really anything you like. Just let me know what you'd like to see. I can do a desktop computer build, perhaps. And as always, I answer any questions for free. No charge for advice. If you have any computer related questions, I'll give you free quotes if you want a quote on repairs. Again, we are based out of Pittsburgh, PA. I am involved with a group of technicians though that operate around the country. So no matter where you're at, just shoot me a message. I can send a tech to your door if needed, or help you remotely, of course. Yeah, hopefully the background noise isn't too loud. That's my washing machine running. I did expect this to get a little bit quicker. I guess what should I expect from a 4-year-old laptop? And just as a quick recommendation to anybody, I don't have any preference of computer. As you see, I'm using, like I said, a Lenovo right now. I got this computer. It was on their outlet store. It was both refurbished and on sale, so I got a good deal on it. Same thing I tell all my customers. Pretty much any computer, no matter what brand it is, really has a lot of the same parts. They're gonna have an Intel or an AMD processor. Motherboards can possibly be the same. All the parts are really the same or similar, come from the same locations, all that kind of thing, no matter what brand you get. It's really best to pick out maybe a brand name that you feel that is trustworthy or that you get a good warranty with. I do HP warranty work, so if you're in the Pittsburgh, PA area and you have an HP and you break hard drive or CD-ROM drive, I do keyboard calls often, etc., etc. I will more than likely be the guy that comes to your door to repair that. Hopefully pretty soon here we'll get to see what happens. This is my production PC. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. So I'm really hoping all the drivers work and all my software is still on here and actually works still. That would be pretty awesome. As you can tell in my voice, I'm a little doubtful of that. Whenever Windows comes out, retail for the first time, it's normally pretty buggy at first. So I don't really know what to expect from a pre-beta. But as long as it works, I'd like to review it and see what I think. certainly help out anybody else that installs it and has questions. Okay, we're applying PC settings. So hopefully not too much longer. It's climbing pretty slow though. I have some screen recording software, which will be a super higher quality compared to my phone. Maybe once I get in there, as long as it's still actually installed, I'll do some actual recording of the screen, which will look a lot better. And I can use a microphone as well, and so I'll sound more clear as well. And I'll do like a little preview, maybe check out what version of Internet Explorer they have on here, or some of the other specs and features and that kind of thing that I can find in Windows 10. And I'm upgrading from Windows 7 Home Premium, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite a bit different. And so you can keep in mind that whenever you're ready to install this, I think the download, I have slow speeds here. The download took probably 3-4 hours or so. I think it was like 2 gigabytes. And then its install is taking over an hour now, I believe. So if you wish to give this tech preview a try, obviously make sure you have the time to sit here and install it. And I do highly suggest that you do not do it on your main computer. I just bought a new laptop and another desktop as well, but I decided to upgrade this machine. It's always fun to take a little bit of a risk. For my next video, I'm going to have to take some notes here on improving the quality for you guys. I see my reflection and light reflection there as well. Not the most professional, but I wanted to make sure I recorded this just so everyone gets to take a peek at it. I'm obviously not a professional YouTuber,